Today, we're diving into two core controls, labels and text inputs. Let's start with a blank screen. First up, text input. You'll find it under the Input category in the Insert panel. Once added, you can move and resize it however you like. Let's take a look at its key properties. Default sets the initial value shown inside the input box. Format. Choose whether this field accepts text or number. Hint text. This displays placeholder guidance to the user, like enter your name. Clear button. Enable this to show an X icon for clearing the field easily. Maximum length limits how many characters can be entered. Mode lets you select between single line, multi-line, or password mode. Single line allows up to 255 characters, while password mode hides characters as you type. Display mode controls whether the input is editable, view only, or disabled. Padding. Add space between the control's edge and the text inside. Color settings. Adjust font color, border color, and fill. Hover color. Changes the fill when hovering over the input field for a responsive effect. Now, let's move on to the label control. Like text inputs, labels have similar formatting options, but they're used for displaying static or dynamic text. For example, we can set the text property of a label to hello, and text input 1.text. Now, when a user types their name, the label automatically greets them. Try typing in your name, and there it is, Hello, John. Nice, right? And that's it. You've just mastered how to collect and display user input using text boxes and labels. Give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more quick and beginner-friendly Power Apps lessons.